Hello, hello. Welcome on in. So I'm super excited. I apologize if I am like out of sorts. I'm on vacation right now and I don't have any of my usual tools. And so everything I'm using is like there are things that I've owned but I just never use. So we're going to make the most of this video, but I'm so excited. I had to do it. And I'm going to break down how I've been able to transform my business into $1,500 days as an affiliate marketer and why I find this to be such fulfilling work with what I'm doing now because it allows me to help a lot of other people. All right. So I've been online for 18 years. I got started working full time as a nurse, learned some very simple skills, started making money right away. Eventually was able to walk away from my nursing job, build a six-figure business. And I think the key is that I've been boss free for the last 14 years because I learned how to earn online. And I think it's such a helpful, useful skill to actually learn how to get an income set up for yourself online and how to run that income so that you can achieve your life's goals. Right now, I'm 51 years old. And when I got started, I was 33 years old. So the way that I see the world, the way that I see money, the way that I see being able to earn online has completely shifted from being 33 to now being 51. And over my 18 years, I've consistently attracted people that were a lot like me. So when I was working as a nurse, I consistently attracted a lot of nurses. I've consistently attracted a lot of women of color and even men of color. I've consistently attracted people that were always at my age. And so now being 51, I attract a lot of people that are in healthcare. I attract a lot of people that look like me. And I also attract a lot of people that are in their 50s, right? Or over, and they know they want something more. I always tell people, like, consider right now, and I just had to give this a good hard look myself. If you're like 50 on the dot right now, do you know that if you're still working, that according to like Social Security, you got to work another like 12 to 17 years before you actually qualify for Social Security. So I'm finding that a lot of people in their 50s are just getting pooped out. They're getting burnt out and they want something more for themselves, or either they realize they're not going to have the kind of money they thought they needed to have for retirement. And so they're coming online and they're looking for other options. And the reason why this is so huge is that even though like I was entrepreneurial driven, like fresh out of high school, and so I came to the internet when the internet first opened, and I was wanting to learn these skills. There were a lot of people that when they were in their 30s, again, my age, they were not thinking about the internet. They weren't thinking about learning these skills. They weren't thinking about starting a business, right? And if they were, it was not internet based. And so now a lot of them, because the internet is so commonplace, it's second nature to have all of these apps and to be on all the platforms and to constantly see people like myself, right, talking about how they've been able to turn the internet into an income stream. So now you have way more people that are in their 50s that are wanting to learn how to do this. And so as an affiliate, what I do is I get to recommend things that are helpful and useful to me to other people. And when they decide to purchase it or get started with it or use it, I earn a commission. So what I love so much about what I do right now and how I've been able to turn my business right into, 507 to $1,500 days and even more is the fact that I actually help people learn how to get online income streams set up for themselves. So while I make my money as an affiliate, I actually help people connect with income streams that make sense for them by introducing them to a community where they're able to learn 20 different income streams. All right. So I want you to think about this like a university and not like a course, where a course you invest in it and you're expected to go from start to finish in order to really understand like what to do with that information. With our income suite or our university, it's like everyone gets to enroll and everyone gets to choose like their path of study. And we literally have people that are coming in here picking one income stream, getting that set up. And when their first 30 days, they're actually making money. And for me, being online for as long as I have been, that's kind of unheard of, right? There have been certainly people that get started, start making money and, off to the races, all the things. But there's also the people that get lost in the sauce. They're the people that get stuck in all the information. They're the people that don't ever quite really get this thing going. And so to come in here and to find people that have never made money online or that have struggled before, have bought all the courses, right, and never made a dime, be able to come in here and be able to get an income stream set up and in 30 days start making money, again, absolutely wild. And I'm going to actually take you over my shoulder and actually show you all of this so that you can have a visual and understand like why this is working for people. All right. So the way that this basically works is when you get started, you're going to take a very simple quiz. That quiz is going to ask you 5 questions. And based upon how you answer those questions, it's going to tell you this would be a really great income stream for you to get started with. All right, you're going to go directly to that module and you're going to focus on learning that income stream and getting that income stream set up. When you're done with that module, your income stream would have been set up. And if you're like a lot of people, you'll already be on your way to earning. Let me tell you a story that I just heard. It's one of my favorite stories right now. A teacher, 58 years old, tired of being a teacher, wanting to retire, right? Kept watching people online earning. She decided to get started in our community, went through a module that taught her how to get brand deals. All right. So we teach you that. In 10 days, she got that income stream set up and she already got her first brand deal. She then decided to become an affiliate of our community because she realized that more people could benefit from this information, and then went on to earn $8,000 in her first 30 days. So it is not unheard of for people to come in here, find their way of earning, getting that income stream set up, and then starting to make money in their first 30 days. Before I take you behind the scenes and show you, I'm going to tell you there are 20 income streams in here. All right. But you don't have to learn all of them. You're not expected to learn all of them. And on top of all of the income streams that we teach you or give you access to, we also teach you good old fashioned online business strategy, right? We teach you good old fashioned digital marketing skills, right? We teach you how to create content. We literally show you everything that you need to know about earning online, but you're not expected to go through all of the information. You basically pick your path, you watch that module, you get that income stream set up, right? And you can start earning in your first 30 days. Now, the income streams out of all the 20 that you should get set up or focus on first, and not all four, just pick one, because these four will actually help you make money in your first 30 days if you are serious about this. Like, you got to be about it, all right? But you absolutely can make money in your first 30 days. The first one is affiliate marketing, which is what I do, because as an affiliate marketer, everything's done for you. We actually set your system up for you as well. So if you're new to all of this, or you feel like your tech skills are lacking, we set up your store. We set up your affiliate link so that literally within 24 to 48 hours, you have something that you can begin offering other people. And as an affiliate, we earn 507 every single time we help another person, right, discover our community and decide to get started because they want to learn. I've never offered something so doggone helpful, so useful, where it's like anyone can win. A lot of things that I personally have offered over the years have really been almost like one size fits all. Right. And I shouldn't say one size fits all, but it was like the expectation is that everybody comes in, learns the skill, and just gets out there and starts selling it to other people. Right. That's a big part of what I've done over my 18 years of being online. And so this is so unique that I get to make the money that I get to make as an affiliate marketer. And that's why I've been able to earn what I am earning, is because there are so many people out there that desire to learn how to earn online, and they're looking for legitimate ways. They're looking for ways that really fit them. And so if you don't want to sell, you don't have to sell. If you don't want to recruit people, you don't have to recruit people. If you don't have tech skills, so what? So it's like, no matter where you are in life, no matter what you want to do, if you don't want to show your face, you don't have to. We show you many income streams that you don't have to show your face. We show you many income streams that don't involve building a brand or being an influencer. We show you many income streams that don't involve tech skills, right? So no matter where you are, no matter how you want to do this, I promise you there is an income stream in here that you can get started with. So the 4 income streams that will help you get started making money within your first 30 days is, number 1, being an affiliate of our community. Number 2, user generated content. And that is where companies pay you to film products, right? So like a company might say, hey, take this product and take a couple of pictures of it, send the pictures to us, and we're going to send you $500. Or, take a couple of videos of you drinking out of this mug, send that video to us, and we're going to pay you X amount of dollars. We have one lady that got started back in August, and she's been earning between $4,500 to $5,000 a month from one company that pays her for creating content for their brand every single month. That's one gig that's been paying her between $4,500 to $5,000 a month. And she's never made a dime with affiliate marketing. She doesn't even want to touch that right now. All right. Because the time that she has to dedicate, right, is just enough time to be able to do that. That is what we help people do. The third way is through brand deals. And that's where companies basically pay you to just mention their company. So like, let's say that during this video, there was a company that said, hey, just give us a shout out and tell your audience more about us. They would pay me just for giving that shout out. And then they would also give me an affiliate link where if someone did decide to purchase that thing, I would also get paid. All right. And then the fourth way is Amazon reviews. So if you've ever been on Amazon and before you made a purchase, you checked out the reviews and you watched a video of someone giving you a review of a product, whether it be a shirt or whether it be electronic, no matter what it is, if you watch the video and then you went to purchase, that person that did that video is going to make a commission based upon what you purchase. And so the reason that's a fast way to get started is that right now there are people that can look around their house and they have products that can be found on Amazon. So you don't have to go out there and buy a bunch of products. You don't have to ask for a bunch of samples. You can just scan your home and find products that can already be found on Amazon, review those products, get those videos set up, and you can start making money. And so those are the 4 ways that people choose if they want to really set themselves up to start making money within your first 30 days. And then we also teach very traditional digital marketing style stuff like digital product creation, course creation, content creation, all of those things as well. We teach you how to use AI and faceless if you want to do that as well. Many people that are building faceless brands on platforms like TikTok and Instagram, and they're making money. Why? Because they learned how to do it right. And I'm going to tell you that part right there is what really makes a difference is learning how to get the chosen income stream set up in a step-by-step fashion so that literally within just 30 days, you could be earning. What makes the way that we teach you these income streams so unique is that you're learning from people that are already earning between multiple 4 figures to 5 figures a month with that chosen income stream. So this isn't like some AI generated education. You're learning from, right, a stay-at-home mom that right now is earning 5 figures a month through user generated content, right? You're learning from someone that's already making a lot of money with brand deals. You're learning from someone where their way of life is being paid for because of Amazon reviews. When I linked up with my mentor, I found her on TikTok. And she had basically went from knowing nothing about making money online to getting started, making $11,000 her first month, and then making $1 million in 17 months on TikTok. And so when I linked up with her, I knew that day that I wanted to get started with this. And guess what? When I logged into the system, the community, right, I get to actually learn the way that she earned $1 million on TikTok. So again, like we're learning from people that have actually already have done this. And that is why so many people have been able to come in and be able to see such fast results and success and money is because they're learning what really works. And all they've got to do is just watch, pause, and do. No more getting lost in all the sauce. If you purchased 8 different courses so far and you haven't made your money, there are people that are in our community that have done the exact same thing and finally found success here. And if you're like the teacher I talked about that have virtually no tech skills, you're 58 years old, you've never made a dime online, you don't really know too much about any of this, you might be borderline skeptical, people are coming in and they're finding success. Again, that is why I'm so excited to share this with more and more people. And it's exactly why I've been able to take my business as an affiliate marketer, right, to very consistent $1,500 days. And for me, that's only helping 3 people a day that want to learn how to do this. That's really exciting. And so if you want to get started with that path as well, just know that's available to you as well. But you don't have to do what I do. You don't have to shoot videos. You don't have to show your face. You don't have to be a brand. Like everything you see me doing might be helpful for you to learn this. But if you're like, I don't want to do that, or I've tried videos before and it doesn't work for me, let me tell you something, like, praise God, there is now a way where you don't have to rely upon this, right, in order to make money. You don't have to overcome your fears to make money, that you can log in and you can find a way of earning that might be quiet, that might be more calm, that might be, again, where you don't have to show your face or be a brand. Again, you get to find an income stream that really matches your energy. All right. So what I've actually done is I've recorded a video where I take you over my shoulder. I show you the exact community, and I even show you how you can get started with a payment plan like so many of our members do. About 80% of our members get started with a payment plan, and another percentage get started with zero down. One of my besties that I've known for over 18 years saw what I was doing and was like, Steph, I really want to do this, but I just don't have it. Like I'm stretched right now. That was her exact word. I am stretched right now. And I said, girl, I said, the thing is, if you want change, you've got to do something different, right? I didn't hard pressure her. I just said, you know what? We do have payment plans. You can at least try it because you never know. Girlfriend was able to get started for zero down. We have so many success stories of people that have gotten started with zero down or gotten started on a payment plan, came in, made enough money in their first 30 days, they paid off the payment plan, and again, the rest is history. All right, so I'm going to drop the information down below. You can take, again, a peek behind the scenes. I guide you step by step. I show you what this is all about. I show you the classroom. I show you how you have community support. I show you how you have calls and mentorship all throughout the week that you can participate in, so you're not in this all by yourself. And then when you do get started, you also get a checklist that I created for my members, and you also get my personal phone number so that during your startup phase, you actually have me in your back pocket if you do need to ask any questions or gain any kind of clarity on what to do and how to do it. But I created this so that you don't just get started. My goal is literally to like rack up the success stories of people that come in and literally start making money in their first 30 days. If you would like that to be you, I'm going to drop my information down below in the description. Go ahead and watch that video, make the decision to get started, and then text me and say, girl, I am in. I'll either see you inside of the community or I'll see you inside of my next video.